What's up, y'all? We are leaving Sam's Club. It is pretty chaotic in there, so that's why I didn't record inside the store. Meat is ridiculously expensive. Say what's up to everybody, guys.
Hello. Hi.
Meat is super high, but I wanted to show y'all my He-Man woman strength. Show y'all these muscles when I put this water in him. Just wait. Here is a small little haul that we got there. I'll show you how I portion meat today. I'll show you guys how I portion meat to try to save on money. So this is how you pack down a car. My mom just pushed Ro over to Walmart in the stroller. I have to go to Walmart to get some supplies. There's Bria. She's headed over there to get more supplies herself. This is how you pack down a car. This is what I was trying to show y'all. And the stroller's going to go right there. So I will see y'all in Walmart if it's not hectic. If it's hectic, then I'll see y'all when we leave Walmart. We are here in Walmart getting school supplies and with Nana and her grandkids being spoiled. Do you have anything to say for yourself, Nana? Huh?
No.
You have anything to say for yourself, woman?
No, sorry. They want it, they get it. I got only one.
You pick one toy, and it better not be expensive because y'all know if it's up to me, it's going back. We're about to check out here at Walmart. We got a decent amount of stuff. The rest of the things that I need to make the boys' loop system, I'll explain that. If you guys want a video on how I homeschool, I can show you guys some of the things that I do. These are just some of the things we got, and I can go through and... What's up, everybody? I am so excited. We just made it back home, and our package is here. Remember I told you guys we had some packages coming from Amazon. So check this out. These are their desks, and this one is my desk. So I'm really excited to get Muhammad to assemble these. Put them to work. Now it's time to empty out this truck, y'all. Look at all this stuff we got. It's ridiculous. Hold on. Let me open this trunk up. Look at all this stuff.
Guys, can I go? I can go home down there. I can go home.
Yeah, we're finna go in the house and y'all finna get this stuff out the truck, okay?
First?
Yes. Alright guys, so you see here when I'm prepping my meat, I like to wrap it in saran wrap and then put it in a plastic bag. And I portion it out so that it's enough for my family for one meal. I don't like to cook a whole pack of anything if we're not going to eat it. I'd rather keep it in the freezer than waste it. see I'm finishing prepping the rest of everything, but the footage that I lost was when I was putting it up in my deep freezer and organizing it. You'll see some of the fridge organization coming up, but you won't get to see the final little bits of it because I lost some of the video footage, but I still wanted to get this video out, so I showed you guys what I had.